Hello everyone. From the past videos, we have learned several techniques in Excel. So today we're going to learn something new about wildcard characters in Excel. So what exactly wildcard characters and how many are there? Let's learn deep dive into that one. The first one, there are two wildcard characters. One is star, also called the asterisk symbol, and question mark. These two are the wildcard characters. And how to use these wild characters? So first point, see here, I would like to search Mr. Vanita. Or sorry, Vanita is a female. So let me try Vanita. Control F. What's wrong in that one? Okay, Vanita spelling is wrong. Right. So now I'm finding Vanita. I have one matches. Let's say I want to search Harish. Yes, Harish is also finding. Yeah, this is one match. But if you carefully observe here, one more Harish is there. The spelling is Hareesh. Sometimes you consider both are a correct spellings, but you are not able to find another Harish. That moment, what you can do, remove RI and give star. So what exactly mean by this one is the name should start with HA. The star indicates multiple characters and it should end with SH. Is nothing but between HA SH you may have multiple characters. That's the meaning of that one. So now if you try to search find, here we two matches. Look at that. This is also finding. This is also finding. So this star indicates multiple characters, whereas question mark indicates for only single character. What exactly mean by that one? First, suppose I want to find Sai. Look at that. The Sai is finding here. First, of course, for some reason I don't know what is the between S and I. There is some character. I don't know that character. Then that case you can use question mark. Now you can see still it is finding Sai. Still it is finding Sai. In place of Sai, let me close anything, any character. Still it is gonna find Sai. Look at that. S5I. So what exactly mean by this one? So in between S and I there is a one character. What is the one that character? We don't know. Any character. So similarly we can use. So how these wildcards are helpful for us? So let's try to with one more example here. Now you can see here Excel is magic, magic is Excel, great is Excel, Excel is wonderful. But these all are information conveying same meaning, which is Excel is magic. What I would like to do, so all I have to convert something like this. So find and replace. So now what we will do first, we will try to find Excel replace all. So this is not gonna give accurate results. Why? Because wherever the Excel word is there, it is gonna give Excel is magic. That means Excel is magic, which is incorrect answer. Control Z, and now what you can do, just apply star symbol and here star symbol. Now you can say replace all. Look at that, it is exactly we are expecting the output. So how these characters are applied here? So what exactly mean by star Excel star is nothing but before Excel and after Excel number of characters will be there. So we're gonna replace with Excel is magic. That is the meaning of this one. So I hope you understood this wildcard concept in Excel, and this wildcard concept is very much useful. I have given just a small introduction about this one. We can use these wildcards in formulas also. In the coming videos, more examples I'll show you how to use wildcards in formulas. Thank you.